Welcome to the Daily Jing for Monday, April 2nd. Here's the quote of the day. I can't believe it's snowing, or I'm not sure what's going on outside, but um, anyway, let's look at Maya Angelou here. So, in the flush of love's light, we dare be brave, and suddenly we see that love costs all we are and will ever be, yet it is only love which sets us free. Maya Angelou. Okay, so let's go back to the notes and to the schedule. This is the 10th week, April 2nd. We're starting McLean. The peer reviews are due today, so make sure that you've got your peer reviews. And I was reading your papers, and some of you do not use the peer review sheet. You need to do that, and you need to um, you need to put your name on your peer reviews. Okay. Um, so we're starting McLean today. The discussion on the excuse me, on the McLean essay. And let's look for a minute on this sample essay, and then we'll look at this sample E tomorrow. This is on storms, and I have some comments in the margin, but I want to go to the bottom here, to my comment, to my overall comment. So the writer needs to find a structuring motif. The storms that the writer talks about in the piece are thunderstorms and snowstorms. It's always good to have three. So there is another kind of storm that you could talk about. I'm thinking that there must be a pattern behind this phobia. You get some kind of warning that there is a storm coming. You find yourself inside the storm, or at least in a house. Have you ever been outside? Then the storm passes over, you react to it in particular ways, and then the storm is over. It seems to me that the best way to demonstrate this phobia might be to just do the thunderstorm from beginning to end. Set the scene where you're in the house alone and you happen to hear about the storm coming. You start to do things, you start to be freaked out, and then the storm hits and you tell us what you're doing, what it sounds like, what your body is going through, and then there's the aftermath. While you're going through these particular sections, you can offer the sort of information that you need about storms that will help us understand what you're going through, and will complicate and elaborate on your ideas. So do this kind of pattern here with every kind of storm: the snowstorm, the thunderstorm, the maybe there's an ice storm, and do the pattern and make them cumulative, so that we understand how you're sort of building on your knowledge of the phobia as you're going from one thunderstorm to the other. Okay? All right. When are the peer reviews due? They're due today. Okay, make sure that you do it. And I will have all of your papers. I've done 3/4 of the papers already. Started with the bottom of the alphabet, and I'll have the rest of them done by tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay? All right, thanks. Bye.